Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from the names, prices, product codes, features, and launch dates. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. So as a practice, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video and help me reach 5,000 subs this year. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Premier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, now we have prices and photos of these bags. First, we have the NANO SPEEDY Dating. Price is $2,460 USD, launching January 1st, 2025. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. Detachable vachetta strap. Size guys is 7.1 inches by 4.1 inches by 4.5 inches. So this is the heart-shaped NANO SPEEDY. And then we have the SPEEDY 20 from the bi-color collection that will be launching January 1st. Price of this one is $2,710 USD. The colorway of the EMPRIENTE is in broom quartz combination with silver hardware and detachable leather strap with chain details as well. Guys, for this collection, pre-orders are now open, so kindly check the website and with your CAs. Then we have this very beautiful Boulogne bag. Price is $3,000 USD. So bi-color EMPRIENTE leather material, same colorway in broom and quartz. So this is the interior, so gray interior. It would come with silver hardware, two straps. So we have a chain strap that you could wear as a shoulder bag and a leather strap, so you could wear it as a crossbody bag. Next on the collection, we have the Diane bag. Price is $2,830 USD. Material is bi-color EMPRIENTE leather in the broom quartz colorway. So it would come with two straps. So this is the crossbody strap, and it would come with a top handle leather strap, which I prefer, but the canvas strap, I'm not a fan. So it would come with silver hardware as well. Next, we have the carry all size PM. Price of this one is $3,200 USD. Material is bi-color EMPRIENTE leather. Colorway of this one, guys, kindly take note, it's rose and quartz with gold hardware. So that is the interior. So this bag would come with fully detachable mini pochette in leather as well. So the strap is non-detachable, but you could fully adjust it to your liking. Then guys, this one is so cute. Carry all size BB, launching January 1st. Price of this one is $2,550 USD. So as we could see, the main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with gold hardware. So the strap, so it is a chain strap that is fully adjustable, as we could see here. So it would come with detachable vachetta bag tag as well. Next guys, let us discuss the men's Spring Summer 2025 collection. That would be launching January 2nd. So this is the continuation. First, we have the Never Ever Fall. Price of this one is $4,950 USD. We have SKU here. Material is soft leather goods. Guys, the soft leather goods, so everything is leather, but it is printed with monogram canvas pattern. Next on this collection, guys, how cute is this one? So we have the Boulogne Hobo. Price of this one is $4,950 USD. We have SKU here, still from the same collection of PHARRELL that walked the Paris Fashion Week. Material soft leather goods printed with monogram canvas pattern. It would come with detachable leather strap. So this is a shoulder bag. I really do love the shape of this hobo bag. Then we have the Trocadero wearable wallet. So this is a wallet on chain style. Price of this one is $1,730 USD. We have SKU here, guys. So material, this is not a soft leather good, but this is a monogram canvas material with cowhide leather trim. So it would come with detachable leather strap as mentioned earlier. So this is a wallet on chain style, so this is a little bit smaller. Then let us discuss, still from the same collection, the Louis Vuitton Lover Dame Canvas collection. So this is so beautiful. Keep out 25. Price of this one is 2,660 USD. Men's Spring Summer 2025 with the Louis Vuitton Lovers Dame Canvas with cowhide leather trim. It would come with detachable leather strap and it would come with a bag tag. Then guys, how cute is this one? Louis Bear. Unfortunately, the price is so expensive at 5,900 USD. The price may be okay if this is convertible to a bag, but I think this is just a a stuffed toy kind of material or a figurine. So material is the Louis Vuitton Lovers Dame Canvas with cowhide leather trims. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Cup. Price of this one is 780 USD. We have SKU here. So this one, of course, so we have the cup and then we have the cup holder. The cup holder material is the Louis Vuitton Lovers Dame Canvas with cowhide leather trims. I also love the cup without the cup holder. As you can see, it's very pristine. I love the Louis Vuitton Lovers logo in gold. Then guys, how cute is this one? I really do love this. Steamer East-West. For the price, kindly do stand by, but we do have the SKU over here. So still part of the Spring Summer 2025 collection. So main material is the Louis Vuitton Lovers Dame Canvas. There are many treated leather, as you can see, top handle, flap. It would come with non-detachable crossbody strap. And then we have an envelope pouch. Price of this one is 1,610 USD. So still the same material. So Louis Vuitton Dame Canvas. It would come with detachable crossbody strap, as we could see here in leather. This, guys, I think this is more of a phone holder and you cannot fit as much. So we have a Moncerise Messenger size PM. Price of this one is 2,660 USD. Material is the Louis Vuitton Lovers Dame Canvas. So this is the interior. So it would have a magnetic lock closure. The strap is fully detachable and it would come with a bag charm as well. So this is how it would look like when worn by a model. Next, if you're a fan of bag charm and this print, this one would be so cute. So tape bag charm. So tape, I think it refers to a cassette tape. So price is 805 USD. We have SKU here. Materials, the Louis Vuitton Lovers Dame Canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is a bag charm with silver hardware, as you can see here. Next, guys, let us discuss the Speedy, the leather Speedy. So first we have the Speedy P9 in the frozen lime colorway. So we have the size 30. Size 30 is 9,900 USD. Size 40 is 11,100 USD. As mentioned, color is frozen lime. Material soft leather printed with Louis Vuitton monogram. Next colorway, so we have the Speedy P9 size 40 in the lemonade color. Price is 11,100 USD. We have SKU here. So what I'm loving about the Speedy, it comes with the little pouch. Love that. So this is how it looks like. It's very soft, very supple. All is made of leather with pre-treated vachetta leather, as we could see here, with bag tag and key clochette. So this is my favorite size, of course. We have the Speedy P9 size 25. Price is 9,300 USD. Color is summer peach. I love the summer peach. Among the three, this is my favorite. So it's like very neutral. Price is 9,300 USD. It would come, of course, still with the detachable smaller pochette. Next, guys, we have the Shopper Tote size GM. Price is 3,900 USD. Color is noir. Material is the very supple soft leather. Though this is an understated bag, as you can see. You cannot really see or tell that this is a Louis Vuitton tote bag because everything is black. Even the logo of LV. Launching January 2nd, 2025. And last but not the least, we have Keepall size 50. Price is 3,550 USD. So this is the interior. Outside, we have the May Afrique pattern, and then on the inside we have monogram canvas. Love this colorway as well. Love the blue leather trims. It would come with bag tag and detachable crossbody strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!